Up until the beginning of 2018, the decade since the global financial crisis has seen most asset classes rise strongly amidst low volatility, resulting in unsustainably high Sharpe ratios for passive buy and hold strategies. With central banks across the world now starting to unwind their QE programs, and with radical political figures polarising the electorate across the globe, the next 10 years should expect more volatility. This year alone, we've seen two major corrections in US stock markets, whilst Europe and emerging markets have experienced multiple bouts of trauma, leaving investors dazed and worried what the future may bring. In this environment, shifting your portfolio at the right time will define success and be an essential skill for traders. Exercising correct judgment around risk and reward will be critical for all frontline portfolio managers. Our options workshops will give an intuitive understanding of these commonly used derivatives. We'll explain how to build robust portfolios with asymmetric risk profiles and how to filter the strategies that will work best in different market conditions. We will teach about the Greeks and how to risk manage option positions to maximize their profit potential. You'll learn how options put you in a position of strength and how to monetize hedges at the correct times without letting them decay and become a drag on portfolio performance like so many have done in the past. Let's face it, the easy ride is over. It's time to get some options insight.